Good afternoon, I think it's still morning. I've missed a thing out. I missed a couple of buildings getting knocked down a couple of days ago. It's all flattened now. If you subscribe to my channel, thanks for support. The old YMCA in Milton Keynes has finally been pulled down. Hopefully you can see. Just finishing off that one, it looks like. This is where the old YMCA used to be, where people lived and so on. So I've missed where the YMCA used to live, stand, because that's been pulled down now. The new YMCA is just next door to the old one. It's this big white building with all different colours, windows and so on. Like I said, this is the new YMCA building. The old one just there is all gone. So like I said, the new one is just here, really next door to each other, really. So like I said, I've missed the old one getting pulled down. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for support, share, comment and like. I'm not going up close to it. Don't really need to go up close to it. So this is like I said, this is the new building, the YMCA building. The old one has just been pulled down a couple of days ago. And like I said, the new one is just here. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for support, share, comment and like, and catch you on the next video. Bye for now.